How to monetize your Instagram account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can monetize Instagram accounts. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now if you have your personal account, first of all you need to change that to the professional account. So to do that, head over to top right and tap on the three-line icon from your profile piece. On the settings and activity, you have to scroll down and there you have an option Adds account type in tools under for professionals. Tap on it. From here, tap on switch to professional account. Now you have to set up the professional account. Tap on next. You have to select the category, then tap on switch to professional account. Tap on next. Tap on not now. Now you have to set up your professional account. So follow all of these instructions given to you. And once you have completely set up your professional account, now you can monetize your Instagram account. Now if you go back to your Instagram profile piece, here it has already been switched to professional account. Now if you tap on the three-line icon at the top right and scroll down and head towards the creator tools and controls, there you have the monetization status. Tap on it. And there you can see now you're able to monetize. You're currently following all the policies and guidelines related to your monetization tools. So make sure to look for the status. And here it says current policy violations. Here make sure there is no any violations. Once you're done, in order to add your payment methods, you have to tap on add payments. Select payment methods. And now you can add your payment methods. So in this way you can monetize your Instagram account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.